let me introduce you another very good product, is F10. There is no doubt that a lighter body with bigger display can easily attract people's attention. And with the big display can also show more contents. The F10 is with 10-inch very big display. It runs Qualcomm high-speed processor. There's Octa-core high-speed processor. It has memory, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB flash. Yes. This device is ultra thin, only 23 millimeters, 23 really thin. Yeah, very fashionable design and very elegant design. It has adopted the sliding cover backboard design. At the bottom side, only have two screws to fix the whole cover. It's very easy for install and uninstall, so after sales will be very convenient. This device is also IP65. It is dust-proof and waterproof. It's very it can satisfy different circumstances, such as the ultra bright or ultra humidity circumstance. Next, we can show you a waterproof video to show how the device can work in the dust and water circumstances. From the video, you can see it's still working very well after 10 minutes testing in the water, under the water. Let me introduce more about the hardware. The F10 device is also with the binocular camera. There is one RGB and one IR camera inside. It supports liveness detection. It can, if people want to check the device with photo or with video, that's not possible because the binocular camera can support the liveness detection. The F10 can also integrate with the thermometer. It can support temperature detection with the distance 15 to 17 centimeter. It can also integrate with another module with bigger display, 1.2 meters. This device, we have finished many certificates such as CE, ROSE, FCC, TELEC, BIS, and TAB, etc. We already sell to many different countries for the bulk use. We provide all-in-one solution, including software and hardware. And we also have the platform. Our platform is GDPR compliant. It can support our personal data information. Next, I can show you how the device, how our application works. Now let me show you how our device and software works. By first use, you need to register the member information. The default password is 123456. Confirm. Yeah, then you can see the setting menu. For the every first use, you need to click to activate the device. Yes, then you can check the data management. You can batch import the user information, and you can also batch export the member dates. Okay, first I need to register my photo. My name, Atina. Mobile. You can write your the real or a random one. I put a random one. And the expire time you can set by yourself. Then click the icon to take a photo. Click OK. Then click register. Okay, now I'm registered already. Okay, we can go out. And that's okay. First I can show you other informations. The email is to when someone get high temperature, the device can send email to the receiver automatically. You can set the email address by yourself. Okay. Temperature normal, 36.8 Celsius degrees. Very fast. The recognition speed is only 1 millisecond. Very fast. When people are wearing the sunglasses, can also recognize. See, can recognize me. When people are wearing a hat, also no problem. Yeah, just show your face. Very fast. 1 millisecond for the recognized speed. And the device has very large capacity for the user days. Can store 300,000 user days. That means you can register 300,000 users. Yeah, actually, our device not only supports face recognition, it also supports NFC card reader. It can read NFC card here. The camera can scan the QR code. But if you don't want the QR code read by camera, then we can integrate QR code scanner here. Here the QR code scanner will be hardware decode, will be even faster than the camera. And our software have more functions. I can show you. Parameter setting. You can set different conditions. Actually, our software are designed for time and attendance and access control. You can set different conditions for the device. Yeah, you can choose single camera and binocular camera, but single camera not support live detection. If you need live detection, you need to click binocular camera. Email picture. If you click yes, then when the device sends email to you to the email address, it will show the picture of the user. If you click no, then it will send the picture automatically. Yeah, you can choose leave-in type or not. Normally we choose yes. Safe guess yes or no means depends. Some company want to check guest information, then you click yes. But normally maybe the guests don't want you to save the photos by the device, then you click no. The orientation normally choose 270 degree. And the face angle, normally we choose detect all degrees in video mode. LED switch, yeah, LED here. LED off, on. Temperature unit, you can choose different. You can also set the relay time. Relay time means at first when people have successfully done the face recognition and temperature recognition, the door will open automatically. 5 seconds is the time for the open. After the 5 seconds, the door will be locked again. Yeah, you can also set the temperature threshold. The normal and standard threshold should be 37.3 degrees, but you can also choose by yourself. Yeah, this is recommended. Restart time, you can set. If you set no restart, then the device will be always on. But if you set it restart, maybe restart every 12 hours or every 24 hours, it's also okay. Yeah, you can set it. It will be very easy to maintain the device. If you don't want to restart it by yourself, by people, yeah, you can set it restart automatically. Okay, this is our F10. Do you like it?